Hey, we're back with the Urban Express engine off the latest Urban. And we're going to tear it down because our other engine, the cylinder stud hole, or actually the cylinder bolt hole, in which I was trying to put cylinder studs, one of them is stripped out. And I'm waiting on a helicoil repair kit, and I'm also debating exactly how I want to proceed. So while I'm debating and waiting, we've got the original engine that was on the latest Urban Express that we just picked up. And we're about to take off the rear tire and break it down and replace the bearings, because at least the right side bearing is bad. So that's what's going on. You know, I've created more problems for myself than, well, I don't know about that, but anyhow, you know, it's never easy. At least it doesn't seem to be. So let's get this wheel off and go to town. Right? Right. Where is it? It's right there. Okay, stepped on a zip tie. Isn't that nice? Come on out, you. Uh-oh. Rolled right off the table onto the ground. We better retrieve that before it's gone forever. And I gotta charge up my drill battery. Yep, one thing after the next. What can we set this engine down on? Let's do this for now. Maybe. I don't know. Right? Alright. Come on, man. Come on, man. What's going on here? Just knocking everything about. Alright, so what do we got to do to get... I've never taken an Urban engine all the way apart. Although I imagine it's not much different than any of the other ones, right? Now, one thing I noticed is the engine mounting bolt was loose. So, somebody else's... Oh, my God, that's tight. Yeah. Somebody else... Good God, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Who does this? What is this? King Kong put this back on? Ugh. Two down. Ugh. Three down. I have to take the oil pump out. I might have to take the oil pump out. And we've got all types of debris accumulating. Well, we got to do this. One. Is it just one or two for the oil pump? I've forgotten. Well, that's loose. That's nice, you know. Well, at the very least, we need to move the oil pump slightly out of the way. We're going to have to vacuum some debris. We'll just, that's that's nice and dirty. Is that enough? Are you guys, hey, what, you probably want a different view, right? Right. Are we recording? Yeah, thank God we're recording at least, right? We've got, you know, got that going. So let's swap around maybe right here. Maybe a little further back. Maybe some lighting. How about that? I don't know. That's a good start. I'll try to adjust your view from time to time so it doesn't get too... Oh my God. When you're moving the entire engine to get a bolt off, you know, that's not a good sign. I've got other issues too. I forgot about this. Well, we'll get to those in a moment. All right. Get this out of the way. Let's see, let's vacuum it down. You know. What do we got here? Oh, I see what's going on. What is this thing? What's going on here? Oh, you know what? Got our special attachment. Go with that for now. I guess we might as well just take this off again for the 80th time. Gotta remove the starter. Let me think about things here. Is there a certain order that we want to proceed? Could be something to consider. Oh, I don't know. I don't know at all. And do I have the case gasket, or will we be using Yamabond on a Honda? Is that sacrilege? Yamabond on a Honda. You tell me. Put it in the comments below. And there is the Staida. Oh, this is a mess. Yeah, good thing this has come. Maybe there it goes. A bit of dirt and stuff. Whoa, what was that? That was some sort of a gasket. We might want to keep that. Did you see? I don't know what can you see here? We got the electric starter. This is worth about $1,000 in itself, right? More than pays for the price of the bike. For those of you at home, I paid $300 for this bike. Probably a little too much for a non-runner, but I wanted it bad. You know? I wanted it bad, you see? That's all. It's always, you know, my thought is leave this on so we can do a piston stop this from turning, get this off, we got to get this gear off on the other side. Let's see if we can, is this oil pump willing to separate itself? We might need to tap on it a bit. Got more dirt. I'm going to be vacuuming it up like crazy. This is a good idea. We'll get to clean up this engine some. Brake pads don't look too terrible. Treats is having a sale, so, you know, we can any suggestions on what to do, right? Should we get a new top end? You know, I've only done like the DR kit on these. I could get something new, like maybe the Wizard kit. How about the Wizard kit? I kind of like that idea. All right, come on out, you. I'm tired of plying. We might need to pry it a bit with our pry bar. Got me pry bar. Let's see what we can do without causing significant damage. Maybe, no, maybe not. I don't know. This maybe not. Why does this thing feel like it's caught in there? What's going on? What's it sticking to? You don't have to. Alright, I guess that did it. Not sure what the problem was. We could clean this up real nice, or maybe go with a block off sort of thing, you know. It's always good at this point. Actually, you know, we should get the vacuum out again. I don't need the stupid attachment. Kind of prevent stuff from and wipe away, not towards the hole. Find us a clean part of the towel. Get some paper towels in here. There we go. Why don't we get rid of the intake too while we're at it? That ought to be fascinating, right? See what's under there. You know, I've got an idea. I've got an idea for you people at home. I think you're going to like me for it. Maybe you'll hate me more. I don't know. I don't know at all. Will this work? Will this work? It would be nice if it does. Because I'm not happy about a few things. Number one is your view. I've got a great idea. Let's see if it works. Hold on. How about that, folks? How about that? Who's looking after you? You know, finally, how many years of videos? And now we've got a decent view straight down at what we need to be looking at, right? So you can see it just as good as me, maybe even better. I don't know. I think so. Look at this mess. Now you can see the mess that I'm dealing with. How long is it going to take me to get this engine in halves? That would be my next query. Are we taking bets? Anybody? Anybody out there? Let's get her apart. Finally, mate, you figured it out. All right, that could use some cleaning, Ron. Just a bit of cleaning. We'll take care of it. Don't worry about a thing. This is going to be nice, nice. What am I going to do with this bike? Where is it going to end up? You know, I can't keep them all. I've got several as it is. I need more paper towels, especially of the clean variety. I might have to run in the house and get some, steal some from the wife. Maybe she's not going to be looking. You know how it is. Don't be taking my paper towels, damn it. I need those. What's that over there? That's not good. Are there any straw? I need a roll of towels. Maybe I need to go to the basement and get me a whole new roll. Well, yeah, it's looking like it. I can't put it off any longer. I just can't. All right. I'm going to put you on pause. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Got me some paper towels. Had to enlist the wife's help to find them. So I could not do it clandestinely. So be it, right? So be it. But anyways, it's Christmas Eve. I don't know when this video will be up. Hopefully soon. Maybe tomorrow, maybe tonight, maybe some other time. But I just want you to know, in case you don't already know, I'm here doing what I love doing. I absolutely love this, right? Especially on a dirty engine, you know. The dirtier, the better. I should, you know, do they still have that Dirty Job show? I could have done a Dirty Jobs episode with Craig Spader's Honda Express, the carburetor from hell. Someone commented on that the other day. It's always nice to get comments on videos that have been out for quite some time or not quite some time. But I couldn't even make sense of the comment. I don't know what they were saying. If English was a second language or what, right? That, you know, yeah, it's not making any generalizations, but sometimes I wonder, you know. For the most part, people who comment, you know, do so in an understandable manner, very understandable. But occasionally I kind of wonder, you know, did our education system fail us, right? What the heck are these people writing? But that is the vast minority of comments. The vast majority of comments are easily understandable. But what was I saying? Yes, I am, you know, here doing what I love to do, and that is tear apart, clean up, and rebuild engines. I don't know, you know, quite how it came to this in life, but this is where I am. I guess it's where you are too, in some degree. So we need a Honda type flywheel puller, which should be right in this drawer. Okay, it should be in drawer number 2. It is. Is this reverse thread or forward thread? Alright, let's try forward. Gently, my friend. I think this is the bearing that is loose. What do we got? A 19 millimeter. There we've made contact. There's the 19. Let's try the wrench. No, this is like a 22 or something crazy, outrageous. What did I just had a 22 in my hand? Where did she go? Here it is. Is this really a 22? It is. We're not going to get it that way. What else was I saying? I get so distracted here. Let's pop it off before we start saying other things. Really? Are you kidding me? Is this with the same guy in here, King Kong, tearing this thing apart? Oh my God. Ugh, are you kidding me? Oh! Are you serious? This can't be happening. Why is this so difficult? Let me try again. Ugh! King Kong was in here. I know it. We got to strap this engine down so I can do this. Outrageous. This is outrageous. I don't even know how I'm going to go about this now. Oh, kidding me. Absolutely kidding me. Let's put this down. Oh, what are we looking at? All right. Ugh. What? Outrageous. This is outrageous. Wait a minute. Let's double check things. Did I get talking and forget something? It's likely the case. Is there another nut that I forgot? Let's check here. There is. That was a mistake. No damage done, fortunately. I knew something was up, right? You know, after some time of doing this, you develop a sense of something is not right. Stop! Don't go any further. Right? Where's my 14 millimeter? I just had it out. I know I did. Here's a 17 by the looks of it. All right. Well, we can get something else. That's fine. Here's a 14. How do you like that? All right, let me try again. Take the nut off first. And then the flywheel will come right off. That is the proper order of things. I just got talking. All right, why is there so much resistance? Did somebody strip these threads? They look all right. Now, it wasn't me from, putting this on. Don't even try to blame me for a thing. All right, let's try again, shall we? So here's our puller. Watch how much easier this is, right? If something is that difficult, something's wrong. Whoop. Look at this. Watch this come off. See how easy? See, I knew. You learn these things in life. That's all. Eventually, this flywheel has teeth on it for the starter. If you're keeping track at home, right? That's what's going on. All right, where are we? So we got that off. Interior does not look too bad. We can clean that up a little right now. A little muddy, a little bit of mud here and there. What else do I need? So I don't necessarily need this gasket right here, but oh, this seal. I know I've got this seal, but this seal's a different size. So that's my only concern in the world of Honda Express engine rebuilding. Well, at least the one. My only current concern. I may develop more in the near future. There might be medication for it, hopefully. But maybe we should turn things, pivot. I don't know, what can you see? I'm going to move this engine this away. Maybe at a slight angle. All right, now we got to get that off, which is always a bear. Always a bear. And we got to get our 3-jaw puller and our torch. Let me see, do we have to get that off? I think we have no choice in the matter. What is this mess? A lot of the grime and cow manure and other things that had hardened onto this engine have either been wiped off, picked off, brushed off, scraped off, or just fallen off of their own accord. So it's not as bad as it once was. That's always a good thing. Let's get our magic puller. And you want to go with a decent size one like this, I believe. The only concern, well, that I can think of right now is potentially causing issues with the arms of this puller, the jaws of this puller hitting the case, because this will turn some, and for some reason it's a little off. I think you want to square it up as best you can. Alright, I need to get a washer as well, which be located here, I believe. To protect that those threads over there, right? Maybe a washer and a nut. There's one in particular that probably... Wait a minute. Oh, I think I know where it is. Yeah, I'm going to pause you for a moment. All right, I'm back. Lights, camera, accione. Let's see here. Is this going to hold on? No, it's already coming off. It's already a problem, right? Let's see what we can do. Gotta somehow center these. Aha! Let's see what that does. We don't want it going crooked already. That might be. Wonder what I can do. Maybe I can just cheat. All right, so it's. on two. Two are on very well. A third is a little off. Not happy about that. Is that going to stay on? That's my dilemma. Now it's lifting off already. However, does that help or hinder things? Now that's just going to pop off again. I might have to just do this off camera because I'm so nervous, right, with the camera running. I can't get it together. It did it again. It did it again. All right, we're going to have to make some adjustments. Right back. Okay, we've heated it up. Might want to wear some protective gear. Sometimes these shoot off. Your puller is going to be hot too. Come on, turkey. You got to be kidding me, man. We're on good still. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, always a terrible sound, but we got it. And we got it on film too. That'll be hot. There you go. How about them apples? I had one. Sounded just like a gunshot when that thing came off. Good Lord. Just like a gunshot. Alright, so we'll take this off up here, and we don't have much to go. Hopefully I've got the bearings. I think I do. I think I got them. Oh, you can feel and smell that heat. Let me tell you what. I heated it up for, I don't know, maybe 8 minutes or so. Again, your puller will be hot as well. So, your engine case will be hot too. So far, the cylinder and cylinder head are not hot. Oh, I got my Moped Army Secret Santa gift. I've got to get that on video, see what it is. Right? I've got an idea. I can kind of tell. And I will be replacing these head bolts with studs because I tend to remove these head bolts and put them on quite a bit, and it's just easier to do that with studs, and don't have to worry so much about stripping the are we out? No, we're not out. What do I got to do here? Alright, that one feels like there's no more. I'm not sure why Honda used head bolts. Now I've had an Express with studs. I don't know if someone changed that out after, please release, after the fact or what. Alright, running out of room on this table. I should just go with a new piston this time instead of playing around, playing these games. Oh buddy, that is still hot. I can smell that heat, let me tell you what. Oh, come on out of there. Really? Really? Oh, there's some smoke coming off it as well. My goodness. Yes, we're just going to go with a new piston entirely, I believe. Done. Alright. Yeah, we still got some heat coming through there. Now we got to figure out, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts over there. Is that all we got? I think, yeah, this might be, I'm going to catch these paper towels on fire. I think, is this thing cooled down maybe a little bit? Where's my 8mm bit thingy? Socket. There she is. Oh, that was easy. Oh, that was easy. Is it too easy? Uno? Do you guys want to see this? You might want to see it. Oh, I don't know. I'll try to give you a little better view. Right in here. All you're missing, there's just 4 bolts. That's all. I know. They just come right out. This is really not that exciting, trust me. There's 2. 3. The top one is longer so far, and I need a smaller socket. Of the 8mm variety. A less wide socket, I suppose. There we go. That's not much holding that together, is there? And is that it? Okay. So 3 of the same length, and the top one is the longest. And Where did this go? That's what I want. Is there anything else holding this together? Now wait a minute. We got 1, 2 on the outside, trying to hide. So we won't start beating on it just yet. So right here is somebody, and right, yep, we need our that's the longest so far. What did I do with me? Always hiding things from myself. Alright, so we got 6. I knew there had to be more than 4. Right? Is there anybody else that we should, you know, investigate? I think that's it. How hot is this? That didn't do anything. That didn't do a darn thing. Am I missing anything? Oh, there she goes. Alright, I've got too many things in me way. So we're going to have to clear the deck of all such miscellaneous items. Got a lighter here. Put that in the pocket. Put this hardware away. Right over there. Spark plugs can go somewhere else. Well, we got a puller, pliers, wrenches, sockets, another spark plug, another wrench, bits. Get it all out of here. Just get it out. We don't need it here. Washers, gears, another washer, Q-tips from some other occasion. Alright, that put the gear, let's put the gear is cooled down. Well, not quite. Good thing I have gloves on though. Almost, but ooh, that's interesting. That's got a bit of juice in it there. Bearing's a bit rusty. Let's turn her on her side. What? The brakey, cable-y thing came off. Let's see. Yeah, that bearing's done. You can't see it right. I'll bring you down in here close up like. See if we can get this other. That did it. The crank is free. Here's the question is, how's that bearing? Is that a problem as well? Do we go with a completely new crank? Let me know. That bearing, yeah, that's a noisy one. That was the one I thought was the problem. This bearing, yeah, they've had it. Shoot, the problem is the crank. Well, Treatland is having a sale. Right. A new crank is going to cost me about the same as getting this bearing replaced. And I'm going to say these two in the cases are bad. That this one is probably bad too. I'm trying to deny it. I'm trying my best to deny it. There you go. Urban Express engine done in probably less than an hour. Or at least take it apart, right? A new crank. Boy, things are getting expensive. I guess I won't be buying a kit, right? At least I don't. What happened? What fell out of there? What's this? Where did I put these? Just put it there for now. Did I? Well, we got decisions to make. Is that still on the... Yeah, that'd be funny. Hold on. Well, more to come. Thanks for watching.